and the pressure was 30.04 inches. In This is a practice test warning message from the National Weather Service as part of Severe Weather Preparedness Week for the state of Georgia. Repeating, this is only a test. This practice test is in effect until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for all of Georgia. Had this been an actual warning, please think about what you would do right now if you were at home, at work, or in your car. Know the tornado safety rules to protect yourself and your family. This test warning is conducted annually during Severe Weather Preparedness Week to allow schools, businesses, emergency managers, and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. Once again, this practice test warning message will remain in effect until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be no follow-up statements issued. This concludes the test warning message from the National Weather Service. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the official forecast.
The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KHC-27 warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special grid receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receivers for normal will be conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather lane. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary in any given location. This variability, including low notices at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KHC-27, broadcasting near Rock Hill on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the No Weather Radio All Hazards to Alert test. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Rock Hill.